Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Scotia Group Jamaica saw a $3 billion increase in profit for its financial year ended October. The company says its core business segments contributed to the uptick, with loans and mortgages also more than last year. Javon Keys reports.
Scotia Group Jamaica earned a net profit of $11.7 billion. That's 35% or $3 billion more than the 2020-2021 financial year. CEO of Scotia Group Jamaica, Audrey Tugwell-Henry, says this was driven by improvements in core business lines, including loans.
And our total loans increased year over year by 14%, which is a real contribution from both our retail as well as our corporate and commercial business lines.
Total revenues for the year amounted to $45.9 billion, 12.9% more than last year. Commercial loans in particular grew by 7%. The company's Senior Vice President of Corporate and Commercial Banking, Morris Nelson, says this was due to a few factors.
Post-COVID, we're seeing a strong recovery in the economy. There are several projects that were on hold where customers were adopting a wait-and-see approach. Those projects are now moving, and the funding that was committed are being disbursed. The second area of growth that is driving loans would be in the working capital segment. I believe it's well understood in terms of inflation. There are higher prices for inputs, and several businesses continue to experience supply chain issues. And so that means more funding for inventory, raw materials that they have to maintain.
Scotia's mortgage book also improved for the year, up by 28%. The financial institution also says total deposits for the year were valued at $397.2 billion, $18 billion more than the 2020-2021 financial year. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Digital wallet platform Link has started the rollout of its new merchant platform, LinkBiz. Link's Chief Strategy Officer, Denise Williams, says the platform is in its pilot phase with over 40 merchants island-wide. The platform allows the more than 100,075 consumers who use Link to make payments with their Link accounts. The platform was launched in October to enable real-time payments, efficient digital records, as well as shorter processing and wait times. The company says LinkBiz will be scaled up and expanded island-wide in early 2023. The JSE Index gained 761 points today, while the Junior Market Index fell by 7 points. Among the winners, Victoria Mutual Investments, Jamaica Broilers Group, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8%, iCreate and Lasco Manufacturing. The losers were led by Stanley Motor, Margaritaville Turks, Eplis 6% preference shares due 2024, Blue Power Group, and Access Financial Services. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.46. $113.45 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $189 for the pound, while it's costing an average $164.85 for the euro. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.